Hello everyone, this is Ryan with DeRosa Automotive. We wanted to let everyone know amidst the COVID-19 crisis that we are open and here for your vehicle services and repairs. Precautionary measures have been put in place to protect our staff and you. We've established a key drop box here in the office, a step-back conversation line to ensure proper distancing. Your keys, door handles, steering wheels, shifter levers, park brake switches, dash are all being cleaned with antibacterial wipes. The technicians are wearing gloves, using plastic seat covers and floor mats, as well as a mask and washing their hands very frequently. So if your vehicle is in need or you find that you now have the time to catch up on those needed maintenance items, give us a call or request an appointment online. Our best wishes to you and your family during these trying times. Ryan with DeRosa Automotive, caring for you and your car.